about World Migratory Bird Day. World Migratory Bird Day was initiated in 2006 as an annual awareness-raising campaign. It is celebrated on the second Saturday in May and second Saturday in October. The East Asian Australasian Flyway Partnership Secretariat highly encourage partners to celebrate WMBD twice a year. In 2021, WMBD will be held on 8 May and 9 October. The day is dedicated to raise awareness about migratory birds and the need for international cooperation to conserve them. Sing, fly, soar like a bird is the theme of the year 2021. It highlights the need for the conservation of migratory birds and their habitats. Every year, people around the world take action and organize public events such as bird festivals, education programs, exhibitions, etc. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.